of the difficult things about working with long parts is that we will struggle to get a decent scale um, to fit the page. So quite often you'll end up going through and creating a broken view. Now, one of the problems with this is that it's not possible to position where this is going to fit, so we can just drop some lines in there and finish, and that will shorten it up quite nicely. Then if we go back to the original and say let's change the overall length of this to say 250, and obviously we need to save this. What you'll end up with is in here you'll end up with something that is still broken, but it's still extended out. So really what we're after is to actually just change the broken views to be positioned. So if you look at the help file, it will tell you to use the drawing view option, create a new layer, and then you can place some lines on here and position them with dimensions. And then when you come out of here, you can create your broken views based on the position of those layers. Then you've got to go back into drawing view, turn the layer, hide the layer, and then it will update. But there is another way of doing this. So one way we can do it is to create a sketch on a plane here, and then I'm just going to create a line in here and in here, and then I can add a dimension from here to here, and we'll make it say 25, and again we'll go from here to here and make that 25 as well to keep it nice and symmetric. So if we come out of the sketch, I'm obviously not going to do anything with it other than create it. So we need to now save this, and if we go back to our part, it's showing as out of date, so we need to update it to recognize the other information. So if we go into properties this time, and what we can do is we can go to the list sketches. You can see the sketch here. We can say we want that shown, and again we'll update the view, and you'll see that those sketch lines are in here now. So if we click on here and go broken view, this time I can actually pin it to the center point of that line and that line there. So we finish out on that, and we have our situation where we're going to come back into the part file. Let's change that to the same dimension, make it 250, save the part file, and then when we go back to our draft, it's out of date, so we go update views, and the information here has changed, but the actual position of the part and the section that is taken out is larger, so it looks exactly the same apart from this dimension here. So you can see that this gives you a lot more control over how your broken views will update when you change the length of the part.